Video, I'm going to show you how to get free cryptocurrency on Bitget. Bitget is a cryptocurrency exchange just like other exchange platforms out there. Alright, so as you can see right here, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and create an account. And to create an account, the link is in the description below, so you can go ahead and click the link and create an account. Alright, so as you can see right here, once you're on Bitget, first thing you want to do is to go to the end section on Bitget, then you scroll to Launchpad. Alright, I'm sorry, Launchpool, not Launchpad. You can scroll to Launchpool. Launchpool is going to help you get cryptocurrency, alright, get free cryptocurrencies. Alright, and looking at it, you can see right here is Launchpool, and you can see the amount of projects they have on Bitget Launchpool, which is about 36. This is 36 projects, and you can see the amount of staked USDT on those projects. Alright, and if you scroll down, you take note of this. You can see this particular Launchpool is completed, and let me just explain a few things before we go ahead and see how you can actually go ahead and get free cryptocurrencies from other Launchpool. Right, so if we take a look at this, it says you're going to stake BGB, and earn DGen. Alright, stake BTC and earn DGen, stake Ethereum and earn DGen. Okay, so you can search here. So you can see the pool. This is the pool for staking each of these ones. So if you stake BGB, which is the Bitget token, you're going to get DGen. You're going to get this token. You're going to get DGen token. And if you scroll down again, if you take BGB token, you're going to get caps. And if you stake dots, that's polka dots, you're going to get caps. All right. And if you stake group, you're going to earn Arbitrum. All right, as you can see it right here. So, and if you click on more, you can see more tokens you can actually go ahead and get. Right, if you stake Arbitrum Inu, you're going to get Arbitrum token. Alright, so you can see they've completed a lot of projects, and let's scroll back. So, and if you take notes, this is the reward you guys are going to be taking part in. Alright, so the more BGB token you stake, the more DGen token you're going to get back in return in the next 7 days. All right, this Launchpool is flexible. It's not similar to staking, whereby your token is locked for a particular period of time. It's not. All right, so you can stake this, and when you stake this, you're going to take part in this. As you can see, I said, since you are staking BGB, and if you take notes, they said BGB, if you stake BGB and to earn DGen, you're going to take part in this 300 I think this 300 trillion DGen reward. So you can take part in this. So out of this is the total reward they're actually getting for this whole pool. This is the whole pool, and it's valid for 7 days. You can see this one is valid for 5 days, this one is valid for 5 days, and you can see the end date ended, which shows it's completed already right here. So you have to look for a pool that's currently active. All right, and one of the best way for you to go ahead and make money on this is to always go ahead and follow Bitget on social media, so you can actually get notified when a new launch pool is available for you to go ahead and take part in. So if I click on more, you can notice, you see that it's also completed. Most of these things are completed, so it's more of like we have to keep on searching till we can find the available pool. And like I said, you can follow Bitget on social media, follow them on social media like Twitter, and when a new launch pool is available, you're going to get notified about it. All right, so you can take part in it very early. So this is how you can actually go ahead and take part in the Bitget launch pool to get free cryptocurrency. When you stake this particular cryptocurrency, you get this. And yes guys, your BGB, if you stake BGB, your BGB is still going to come back to you. Okay, it's still going to come back to you, so you're earning both token. All right, so if you click on that particular one, you're going to see things that you need to do. So make sure you've completed your identity verification before you can actually proceed, which means I need to complete my identity verification before I can go ahead and stake the particular token. And Bitget's verification is very easy. You just have to do with the basic information, ID and face authentication, which is very easy. All right, I'm going to do that later on. All right, so that's it guys on how to get free cryptocurrency on Bitget. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in another video.